Scene script, have you ever wondered how to optimize your health and wellness journey with a simple cup of tea? Welcome to a comprehensive review of Teaburn, a product that claims to do just that. Teaburn distinguishes itself from other products on the market in several key ways. While many health and wellness supplements focus on a single element such as weight loss or energy boost, Teaburn takes a more holistic approach. It promises to not only aid in weight loss, but also improve digestion, mood, and overall energy levels. When compared to similar products, the uniqueness of Teaburn becomes apparent. Take, for instance, the ever-popular green tea extract. While green tea extract focuses primarily on boosting metabolism and energy, Teaburn goes a step further. It aims to create a balance within the body that promotes overall well-being, not just a temporary energy surge. Another popular product, oolong tea extract, is known for its weight loss benefits. However, it lacks the mood-enhancing properties that Teaburn boasts. Then there's the well-known hibiscus tea extract, praised for its potential to lower blood pressure. Yet, it doesn't offer the comprehensive range of benefits that Teaburn does. Now, it's important to note that while Teaburn holds its own against other products, it's not a magic bullet. It's a tool to enhance a balanced diet and regular exercise. And like with any supplement, individual results may vary. To summarize, Teaburn sets itself apart with its holistic approach to health and wellness. It not only aids in weight loss, but also improves digestion, mood, and overall energy levels. Moreover, when compared to similar products, Teaburn offers a wider range of benefits, making it a standout choice in the market. However, remember, it's not a miracle solution. It's an aid to enhance a balanced lifestyle. So, if you're looking for a comprehensive approach to wellness that goes beyond a simple energy boost or weight loss, Teaburn might just be the product for you. Thank you for joining this comprehensive review of Teaburn. Here's to a journey towards better health and wellness, one cup of tea at a time.